Hello, welcome to Elevator Expeditions. We are at Huntington Metro Station right now in Virginia, and I'm going to take you for a ride on this inclined elevator, which looks like we just missed it and it's going up. You can see the counterweight. I'm going to stop the camera for now, but I thought maybe we'd just see the counterweight landing. I wonder if there's a bumper or something. Anyway, I'll press the button. And I'll turn the camera off in the meantime. Okay, now here it comes, so we'll watch it dock. Here are the escalators, and you can see there's the car. The train's about to go back to Fort Totten in Washington. These are CAF cars, and here comes the elevator, or inclinator rather. I won't be able to measure this because this is at a diagonal, but yeah, it just looked like it just landed. So we'll go inside. Your cab view. Let's go to mezzanine. So the controls are just like in a vertical elevator. The capacity is 2,500 pounds. Watch it set sail. Here we go. This is cool. So this is, I think so far the only place on the East Coast to have an inclined elevator. There are a bunch of other places in the United States, like the Luxor Hotel in Vegas is famous for these. There's one in San Diego, one in Dallas, and in the future, hopefully it'll open for next year, the new station on the 7 train. Oh, let's watch the counterweight go under us. So that'll have, I think, 2 of these, because these are very slow. The ones at the Luxor are much faster than this, going at like basically the same speed as the escalators. The reason they have this instead of a vertical elevator is because of the way the station is on a hillside, so it wouldn't be very practical. Otherwise, it would have to be a vertical elevator and like a really long walkway. You can see the drive cables. And it looks like a little company on the way down. Watch us as we pull into the upper landing. I'm not going to make the next train, leaving in 2 minutes. This here is the fairway. Oh, we just leveling out there. Let's take a little peek out. There's the button. So now let's go back down to level T for trains. I thought I'd show you the view back down. You can see the tracks over there. And we set off once again. I don't know why this is so slow. And I'm not sure if maybe at the Luxor if they're faster or something. And there goes that train. Here comes the counterweight. You can see there are like those rolling pin thingies that drive the cables. There's also that belt you see on the left, and so yeah, just a bit like a funicular. I'm not sure you could consider this funicular since it's not outdoors. It's very short. It's a bit like the one in Quebec. That's much steeper though. Okay, and here we go at the plateau, and there's a train on that track. Other side. And we pull into the dock. And that's it. It's a little hard to see because the train's blocking, but there's a plaque for Fairfax County up there. It says elevator, but it's really an inclinator, and there it is. The door's still open, and there it shuts. Alright, well, thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe.